What's going on, guys? My name is Austin Davis. I'm here out of Austin, Texas. We've been in the power washing space for the last 6.5, 7 years, since late 2018, early 2019. Yeah, so we started it's September now. We kind of first launched. I got my certification late February. I'd say we were boots on ground by late March. Since then, it's been great. We've added 45 restaurants in the last like 6 months. So we're definitely happy with that. Like I said, just it levels out the peaks and valleys. And right now with 45 restaurants, like it adds a significant amount of value to our business. So we already do a significant amount of commercial reoccurring work as far as the commercial window cleaning and power washing side of things. But this just adds another sector of value to your business, right? Because it's one thing to do one job and do it once, and then you may or may not ever see that customer ever again. But if you can have them on a agreement type schedule, not only covers your peaks and valleys, but it also adds value to your business if you ever want to, explore a sale of your business, maybe if that's on the table or not. Yeah. So kind of how I got involved and how I found MFS and how my journey kind of led into doing hood cleaning. I've been in the power washing space for the last 6 years, residential, commercial, all the typical exterior cleaning niches we pretty much do in there. And then it just got to a point where we're pretty built out in those aspects. My partner and I were kind of looking for something that we could do to kind of level out the peaks and the valleys. Because in the exterior cleaning space, you kind of, everyone has winters, whether, slower times, we'll call it. And so we're looking for things that we can do more frequently. We really wanted reoccurring commercial work. And then it just became like, how do we get that? Do we find reoccurring power washing work? Do we find reoccurring window work? Like, where can we find that? And I believe I caught a hold of the idea of hood cleaning from either a YouTube video or I might have saw something in a Facebook group, but it definitely piqued my interest. I decided to go down a rabbit hole, did some research as guys that have been in the industry. And I started diving some research on Google and I found MFS and I had a good call with them. They explained how it worked. Got a hold of an online training. We were going to do the in-person one, didn't end up working out that way, which was great. The online training course was great. I got a hold of it. I believe I completed it in like 2 or 3 days. The videos were great, really detailed out. And then I was able to pass my test. I think I got a 94 on it. Since then, you guys also sell all the equipment, all the chemicals and stuff. So we ordered a bunch of stuff from you guys. We pretty much got going straight away. And it's been blowing and going since. I'd say like 99%, with the exception of maybe 1 or 2 restaurants that came from a Google call that wanted some pressure washing of the walkways. So, like 2 of those restaurants actually turned into a hood cleaning. These restaurants all came from walking in and just doing the boots on ground stuff. We don't even advertise that much for it on our website. We're so good at going out there and just going in there and talking to them. And for the craziest thing, I've door knocked pretty much almost everything out there. Walking in the commercial buildings, you never get a hold of the decision maker. Since we've been walking into restaurants and actually eating there, we find that if we eat there, it kind of gives them a reason for the manager to talk to us, as opposed to just walking in there with a flyer. You'll never get someone's time doing that, I find. We walk in there, it gives us an excuse to have a little lunch meeting for the day, and then we go for the ask to talk to the manager. And more than half the time, to my surprise, it's been, man, we've never been happy with our hood guy. The guy never shows up. It never looks good. We'd love to give you a shot. And even if they say that if they have any issues, but they're still committed to a person, we'll just say, hey, look, we'd love to give you a really amazing deal on your hood. We'll take care of it for you. And maybe we just saved you a bunch of time and headache. Just kind of throwing out those lines, those fishing lines out there. And it's been working out really well for us. What I was looking for when I came to MFS, how to price based on what it is you were cleaning, like the amount of hoods. Like every restaurant's not the same depending on the hoods. And like another thing that he was talking about is like some of these Asian restaurants, you have to, think accordingly with that. So I definitely took advantage of some of that information, but it was mainly just like the how-tos and stuff. Now, because I knew nothing, and especially with like how to properly use the plastic wrap. And so the training, I would say, like the detailed training, like it's one thing. So on the course, like you have, I think it was like 10 hours or 12 hours, like in the books, we'll call it, of him standing there and going through course material. And then the equivalent amount of hours, I think 10 or 12 hours just in videos, and I watch all, and it's very, very detailed, and I really needed to see that. So like I had to see every little thing that they did. So that was great. Full transparency, it's like any business out there. It has its tough, for obvious reasons. It's going to be tough. But like with anything, it's like you got to ask yourself, like, is this something that you can see yourself doing? If so, and it sounds exciting, then you need to do it. And if you're going to do it, you do it the right way. Get a hold of the right training. Get yourself educated. I think this is one of those things where you can't just waltz in there and attempt to do something like cleaning a window. Anyone can get a squeegee and attempt to go clean a window. But if you're going to do this, you can't just walk into a restaurant, obviously, without certifications, without training, and attempt to do this. You could blow up the kitchen, right? So if you're going to do it the right way, go through a good training course where you can get certified. Obviously, MFS is great. If you're going to do it right. It's tough work, but I will say this is one of those industries where there's so much demand out there for it, and the competition, the supply of people doing it is so low. So it's an interesting thing to look at. Our next focuses are expanding our reoccurring commercial work. So obviously our hood vent cleaning and we do holiday lighting. Our power washing is what it is. Like, we're the number one guys in our town, and we run ads and all that stuff. All that stuff is doing good. We grow year over year. But we're just trying to get more commercial. So next 2 or 3 years, like I said, our goal is for the hood cleaning to get to 300 restaurants. That's just kind of a number. Final thoughts on just on MFS and the training is, one thing sometimes I'm worried about when it comes to buying training is if I'm going to get the thorough amount of information. And I knew with hood cleaning, there was so much that I didn't know. I was worried when I first got into this course if I was going to be able to learn everything and see everything, because I'm not just someone who can read a book and I learn that way. I'm a hands-on learner. I need to either see a video or I need to do it hands-on. And they did a really good job of the guys who can't make it in person or leave their family and go to the in-person training to put together a comprehensive video for someone like me that needs to learn hands-on, to where I could actually learn from this video. It was that in depth, and they get really up close and they show you with their hands what they're doing. And it made it a lot easier. And I felt a lot more comfortable going to my first job. So I really appreciated that.